Dear second prep, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's Mr. Ahmed Mahmoud with you today to introduce a new mathematics lesson. Today, inshallah, we have the last lesson in the term. It's Unit 3, Lesson 3. It's the mode of some values and the mode of frequency distribution, which is the part 3 of this lesson. As we took before, the mode is the most common value. For example, if we have an example like this, if he asked me find the mode of these values, the mode as we said is the most common value. The most common value here, by looking to this data 9, 8, 1, 7, 2, 8 and 5, we find that 8 repeated 2 times here. Then the mode in that case is 8. The next one, if we have 10, 9, 3, 9, 3 and 9, here we have 9 repeated 3 times and 3 repeated 2 times. Then we got that 9 repeated more than 3, then the mode here is 9, it's repeated 3 times. Then the mode is 9. Okay, again, if we have some values and we need to find the mode of them, then we are searching about the most common number repeated in these numbers. Okay, here we have 8 repeated, the most one, and here we have 9 repeated, the most one. Okay, let's solve problems about this concept. Example 1, the mode of the values 5, 3, 8, 5. Okay, here we have 5 repeated 2 times, then the mode here is 5. The next one, the mode here is 8, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 8. 8 here repeated 3 times, then the mode is 8. The next one, if the mode of some values 4a, 5, 3 is 3, the mode here is 3. Then the most common number is 3. Then 3 must be repeated 2 times. Then a here equal 3. Another example, if the mode of the values 12, 7, x plus 1, 7, 12 is 7, the mode is 7, then 7 must be repeated more than once. Okay, then here x plus 1 must equal 7. Then x plus 1 equal 7. By send 7 to the other side as minus 1, 1 as minus, then x equal 7 minus 1 equal 6. Okay, now I studied here the mode of some values. Next I'm going to study the mode of frequency distribution. Let's study the next example. A factory has 600 workers. A sample formed from 120 workers is taken such that it represents all groups very well. It's found that the distribution of their ages in years is as a follow table. Okay, this is the frequency distribution. Here the age, from 25 to 30 their number is 12, from 30 to 35 they are 17, and so on. Okay, now draw the histogram, then deduce the mode of the ages. Okay, to find the mode of these values by using this distribution, I'm going to graph this table, and it's very easy like this. The first one, the first sets on the x-axis and the number of workers on y-axis like this. Here the sets and here the frequency. Now we have 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and I'm going to add a set which is 55. Okay, and then we have here 12, 17, the maximum number is 40. Then I need to go up to 40. I can't use table 1, okay, because I haven't 40 lines. Okay, you can use table 5 or table 10. Okay, it's easier to use table 5. Okay, I'm going to write table 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. Now I'm going to draw the histogram. The histogram, okay, drawing, okay, as a follow. 25 go up to 12, 25 go up to 12, and then I'm draw rectangle like this. 30 go up to 17, then I'm go, okay, 30 and 17, which is here after 15 here, and then 35 go up to 18, 18 represented here, and then I'm going to draw a table here. Then from 40 to 40 I'm going to go up here. 45 to 25 I'm going to draw from here a table like this, and then 45 to 25 excuse me, from 50 to 8, 50 to 8, which is here in this place. Now I have here, this is the histogram as I said before. I'm going to search about the maximum table, which this one. Okay, I'm going to connect this point with this point, cross like this, and this point with this point like this. Again, this point with this point, cross like this, this point with this point, cross like this. Now we have intersection point here. From this point I'm going to draw a vertical line down like this. This ray reach this position. This position represent about, it's 40, it's then from 40 to 45 it's about 43. Then this one, which represent the mode, then the mode here equal 43. Again, to find the mode of this distribution, we draw the histogram like this. How come? Draw the first set down, okay, and draw the distribution up here, okay, and then draw the histogram, the columns like this, from 25 to 12, 25 up to 12, 30 up to 17, and so on. And then I'm going to choose the maximum table and connect the points here, this to this and this to this, to make cross like this. And the intersection point, I will draw a ray like this down. Okay, the intersection of this ray with the x-axis give me the mode of this distribution, which is 43. And this is the end of this lesson. I hope it was helpful for you. See you in the next video, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Mr. Ahmed Mahmoud was with you.